Good morning, class. This is Standard 10. Welcome back. And today we are going to begin with a new chapter, that is transportation. So what is transportation? Transportation means anything that is moving from one place to another. It can be goods, it can be people, it can be animal, it can be food crops, it can be anything. So let's begin. In the development process of the nation, transport plays a vital role, especially when industrialization, urbanization, agricultural growth is taking place at a rapid rate. The different forms of transport used to carry passenger and goods from one place to another are called the means of transport. It is important not only for quick and comfortable travel, but for carrying goods from one place to another, which adds to the economic advancement of the country. First, we are going to deal with roadways. During the early British rule to facilitate postal communication, development of roads was undertaken by the Britishers. The Indian roads are classified into four categories. First one is national highway, second one is state highway, third is district roads, fourth is village roads. Now what is national highway? National highway are those highways which run through the length and breadth of the country. It connects major roads, foreign highways and capitals of states. The construction and maintenance of these roads are the responsibility of central government, and there are 57 such highways. Next is state highways. They connect every town of state with its capital and other important cities and towns also. The state highway plays an important role for commercial development within a state. These are maintained by state government. District roads, they connect town and large villages. The development and maintenance of these roads is the responsibility of the Zilla Parishad and their respective PWDs. Last one is village road. They connect villages with one another. These are mostly unsurfaced, narrow, and not suitable for transport during rainy season. Thank you. And in the next class, we are going to begin with the